Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, this thing has been dumping hard for about a month and a half ever since the Bank of Japan did that most recent intervention. Definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it will take out the low of wave 4. But this is the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and even the wave 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, so most likely this is going to continue to go down. Most wave 1s or wave A's actually end around the low of wave 4, so I am expecting it to probably end up doing something like this. Then it will probably go up and make a crescent to the move down, like a wave B or a wave 2. But for now, the downtrend is definitely not over, in my opinion. Going down to the daily time frame, yeah, we definitely have a little bit of a spike going on right there, but to me, it seems extremely clear that it's a wave 3, and that most likely, if anything, we're probably in a wave 4 right now, and we're probably going to push down again for a wave 5, probably someplace around this 100% area, and this is all just one trend, which is likely either a wave A or a wave 1. Until we get a significant break of structure, I'm definitely still on the short side. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now it all depends on what kind of trader you are. I'm definitely not a scalper or even a short time frame trader. If you are a short time frame trader, probably technically you should be looking for longs because technically it did turn up. I think that it is likely going to be a wave 4 though, so be very cautious if you do look for longs. I only expect this to make a pretty small correction, probably some sort of an ABC of 4. This is probably a wave 3. Then it will most likely go down again for a wave 5, just like I showed on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I definitely think it's an uptrend, and I think this is very likely a wave A. I think we are very likely in a wave B, which will probably go down and take out some of these structures. Then we'll probably push back up for a wave C. I would expect to see some sort of a three-way pullback, some sort of an ABC correction before we get the real move down, the big engulfing move down, probably a nice breaker structure, probably a nice Fibonacci bounce. If and when I do see this, this is the trade that I'm waiting for to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.